How to track the location of your lost missing phone in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, open settings, scroll down, click on security and privacy, click on lost device protection, click on find my mobile. Now turn on these buttons. After turning on these buttons, click on websites. Now log in your Samsung account. Select missing phone. Now click on three dots more option. Now turn on track location. Now here you will see track location of your lost missing phone. This is how you can track the location of your lost missing phone in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.